Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about gaslighting and why you can't get paid more.
This was a long ass interview, bro. I listened to it on The Verge. Lyft CEO David Risher on paying drivers more and the shift to robotaxis. Well, we know the shift to robotaxis a couple of weeks ago. Hello, Jeremy. I think you're ghosting me. I hope you're doing well because
Still hasn't. I mean, he had to take a 2-week vacation
after the interview.
Got burned,
just to recover.
He thought he was going out for a nice grilling, but he got grilled and burned.
No, I thought, but come on, bro. It was fair. It wasn't easy. It wasn't your typical CNBC softball bullshit, but it was fair. I thought it was fair.
Don't lift.
It wasn't Jim Cramer.
Why can't you pay drivers more? Well, it's a low margin business. No shit.
Well,
we've talked about that for years.
Haven't we? Yeah, it's a low margin business.
Make a profit for how many years until fares?
So he says during this interview, I mean, robotaxis, we know, they're doing these driver forums or whatever, autonomous driver forums or whatever. So Lyft CEO David Risher started the rideshare business is a low margin business. Yes, it is. It's basically nickels and dimes, but then they get it in scale. Although Lyft stock just hit 23 and change. It was up 10% more yesterday. So at the Rideshare Guy, we have an idea. We are hopefully, when Harry gets back, when is he getting back? Tomorrow? We're going to put that in action, and you guys will hopefully see it in every goddamn paper or outlet. We have a fantastic idea. We're going to put these people in a box, but we'll see how that goes. Lyft CEO David Risher says it's a low-margin business that requires efficiency, especially in a competitive environment. I agree. It's a low-margin business. Just like, look, Uber is in 3 businesses. 1, rideshare. 2, deliveries. 3, trucking. All 3 are historically low-margin businesses. I have been on record publicly saying this for at least the last 10 years because my background of finance allows me to say things like that because I can back it up. Low margin businesses, cabs, low margin business, and they're regulated, by the way. So I agree. That's why he kind of hints why they cannot pay drivers more. It's a low margin business. Although he did go on talking about the 70-30 guarantee and things like that. And then the person who did the interview, the podcast, took it hook, line, and sinker. I mean, he's talking about cost pressures, right? Costs include driver earnings and insurance premiums, right? But then right there, he says, for example, a recent policy to ensure drivers receive at least 70% of the fare was intended to improve their situation, but adds to the company's costs. See, that's when I go hocus pocus, and that's when Jeremy did not like it, I think, because I said hocus pocus. So to this, I'm saying hocus pocus as well. See, no journalist will understand that because when you go tell journalists, 70-30 split, you would be like, oh, what are the drivers complaining about? But then they don't say that external expenses could be so high and change continuously. Take half of the fare, and then whatever's left over after that, the 70-30 split of that is basically peanuts. They don't say it that way, Chris. They just, is that called gaslighting? They don't say it that way. Just say it the way it is, people. And
on top of that, that one graphic that we showed maybe like 8-9 weeks ago with upfront fares, how you actually earn less with the 70-30 split because of the way that it transitions everything.
I still have that slide.
to the thing. So instead of, I think it was like 63 cents on the dollar, it became 52 cents on the dollar.
Yep, because
the drivers will make.
It was from Lyft, you know. I mean, we could have put that up in Jeremy, but we didn't. But we would. I still have the slide, Chris. I would be happy to send it to you, and we can discuss that again. Actually, under 70/30, when they first announced it, we talked about it, right? Privately, and I said Lyft's take rate is going to go through the roof with the 70/30, because that external fee item and this Lyft service fee, those two items are interchangeable. They move around as it goes. I'm like, I have no rhyme or reason.
Speaking of, have we seen anybody emailing about the external expenses and Lyft's 30% take on switching from after the ride ends to the next day?
No, we have not gotten to the bottom of that, but I'm not getting any more emails, so it may have been fixed. So,
all right.
Yeah, maybe it is fixed. I don't know. Because I would have gotten emails. I haven't gotten any emails. So, yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.